So you're changing your car and you're thinking about what upgrades you can get to protect your investment. Well, as far as I'm concerned, there's one that's absolutely essential, and that's a complete interior protection pack to preserve the carpeted parts of your car from the ravages of real life. And I'm talking a set of quality, fully fitted car mats, a perfect fit boot liner, and a rear bumper protector. Every car should have them. Compared to most other car manufacturers' mats, these are harder wearing and longer lasting. They come with a 3-year, 60,000-mile guarantee and have a special patented heel pad that lasts 3 times longer than the competition. The edges are bound in leatherette, there are the correct safety fixings, and you can have a range of colors to match your car's interior and your taste. But as well as protecting the interior, you've also got to think about the boot or load area. And we've all done it. How many times you've been on a muddy walk with the dogs and kids, or had a supermarket spillage, or been to the tip, and then that load area ends up looking like an environmental catastrophe. A 2-inch lip keeps everything inside the tray. It's lightweight, easy to remove for cleaning, and you can even jet wash away the really mucky stuff. For everyday use, there's an anti-slip carpet insert that will help stop the dog bumping into the shopping. How often have you scratched the top of the bumper loading in something heavy, dragging your golf clubs, or having your dog clamber in the back? Just pull out the bumper protector and you'll never scratch the paintwork again. To respray a scratch bumper usually costs a couple of £100, and when you sell or trade in, you'll get chipped on the price. This bumper protector alone could save you more than the cost of the whole pack. Ordering is easy. Click the link, go to the order platform and choose the design and colour that suits you and your car. Orders are processed, manufactured and dispatched direct to you in 48 hours. Scan and bookmark the QR code and share this with family and friends. So this is a sensible, cost-effective way of protecting your car's interior and your investment. I should know, I've got 5 dogs and 3 kids, and I've fitted protection packs to all my cars because I know without them, my life would be impossibly messy. This is a must-have.